In the realm of natural remedies for enhancing sexual health and function, watermelon has emerged as a surprising contender. Known as a refreshing summer fruit, watermelon is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that could potentially boost libido and improve erectile function. In this article, we will delve into the science behind watermelon as a natural Viagra alternative, explore its nutritional benefits, and provide guidance on how to incorporate it into your diet effectively. Understanding erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is a common condition affecting men of all ages, characterized by the inability to achieve or maintain an erection sufficient for sexual intercourse. While occasional difficulties may be normal, chronic ED can lead to stress, anxiety, and diminished self-esteem. Conventional treatments for ED often include medications like Viagra sildenafil, which work by increasing blood flow to the penis. However, some individuals seek natural alternatives due to concerns over side effects or a desire for holistic approaches. Watermelon. The nutritional powerhouse watermelon Citrullus linatus is composed primarily of water, about 92%, making it an excellent hydration source. However, it is also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including vitamin C, supports immune function and skin health. Vitamin A, important for vision and immune health. Potassium, regulates blood pressure and fluid balance. Lycopene, an antioxidant linked to heart health and reduced risk of certain cancers. The citrulline connection. One of the most fascinating aspects of watermelon is its content of citrulline, an amino acid that plays a crucial role in enhancing blood flow. Citrulline is converted into arginine in the body, which is then transformed into nitric oxide NO. Nitric oxide is essential for relaxing blood vessels and increasing blood flow, a mechanism that is pivotal in achieving and maintaining an erection. Research suggests that citrulline may help improve erectile function in men with mild ED. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men who consumed citrulline supplements reported improved erectile function, indicating that watermelon could provide similar benefits. How to use watermelon for sexual health. Incorporating watermelon into your diet can be enjoyable and beneficial for sexual health. Here are several ways to use watermelon as a natural Viagra alternative. 1. Fresh watermelon slices. The simplest way to enjoy watermelon is to eat it fresh. Choose ripe, juicy watermelon, and cut it into slices or wedges. Eating watermelon in this form allows you to benefit from its natural sugars, vitamins, and citrulline content without any additives. 2. Watermelon juice. Juicing watermelon is a refreshing way to consume it, especially on hot days. To make watermelon juice, ingredients: 1 ripe watermelon, optional, mint leaves, lime juice, or ginger for added flavor. Instructions: cut the watermelon into chunks and remove the seeds if necessary. Blend the chunks in a blender until smooth. Strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove pulp, optional. Add mint leaves or a splash of lime juice for added zest. Serve chilled. Drinking watermelon juice can provide a concentrated source of citrulline and hydration. 3. Watermelon smoothies. A watermelon smoothie can be a delicious and nutritious way to start your day or refresh yourself post-workout. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups of watermelon chunks, 1 banana, cup of Greek yogurt, optional for creaminess, a handful of spinach or kale for added nutrients, ice cubes, optional. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. This smoothie not only harnesses the benefits of watermelon but also provides a balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. 4. Watermelon salad. For a more savory option, consider making a watermelon salad. This dish combines fresh, hydrating elements with flavors that can tantalize the palate. Ingredients: 2 cups of watermelon, cubed cup of feta cheese, crumbled cup of fresh mint leaves, chopped juice of 1 lime, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine the watermelon, feta, and mint. Drizzle with lime juice and season with salt and pepper. Toss gently to combine and serve chilled. This salad not only offers the benefits of watermelon but also adds a mix of textures and flavors. 5. Watermelon popsicles for a fun treat. Consider making watermelon popsicles. They are easy to prepare and can be a sweet way to increase your citrulline intake. Ingredients: 4 cups of watermelon chunks optional, a splash of coconut water or lime juice for flavor. Instructions: blend the watermelon chunks until smooth. Pour the mixture into popsicle molds, filling them about 3/4 full. Insert sticks and freeze for at least 4-6 hours or until solid. To remove, run warm water over the outside of the molds for a few seconds. These popsicles are not only delicious but also a great way to stay hydrated. Additional lifestyle tips for sexual health. While watermelon can be a beneficial addition to your diet, it is essential to consider overall lifestyle factors that contribute to sexual health. 1. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to decreased energy levels and reduced sexual function. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you are consuming foods high in sugar or salt. 2. Maintain a balanced diet. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet. A well-rounded diet can improve blood flow and overall health, contributing to better sexual function. 3. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can improve circulation, boost energy levels, and enhance mood. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week, which can include activities like walking, jogging, swimming, or dancing. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact sexual health and function. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy. 5. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for hormonal balance and overall well-being. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support sexual health. Conclusion: watermelon is a nutritious fruit that offers potential benefits as a natural Viagra alternative due to its high citrulline content and ability to enhance blood flow. Incorporating watermelon into your diet can be both enjoyable and beneficial for improving sexual health. Whether consumed as fresh slices, juice, smoothies, or salads, this hydrating fruit can contribute to a holistic approach to sexual wellness. However, it's important to remember that while watermelon can support sexual health, it should not replace professional medical advice or treatment for erectile dysfunction. If you experience persistent ED, consult a healthcare provider to explore the underlying causes and appropriate treatments. With the right approach, you can enjoy the benefits of watermelon while taking proactive steps to enhance your sexual health and overall well-being.